Hello champions, how are you all? I hope that you're doing so good. So yes, there's an important update for COMEDK 2024 aspirants. You know that today is the last day for something. What something? We'll remind you. So this is a final reminder video for you. It's all about edit choice filling round. So basically, if you have not done it yet, please do it. You still have time until 4 p.m. today, 5th of August. So this is a time for editing your choices, whatever you have put. Okay, now if you still have time, please go through the video because I'll be telling you what all you should be taking care of, right? Now, what is eligibility for round 2 phase 2? If you think you're eligible, obviously you should be knowing all this thing which makes you eligible. Let's see. All the remaining vacant seats in KKR, that is HK region category, will be converted to general merit. So basically in the HK category, if there are certain seats which are not being occupied by any other student, it is vacant. So these seats will be converted to general merit seats. Okay, if at all it is vacant. If it is not vacant, obviously it's fine. Okay, they will be having the HK region category, whoever is there, they will be having the same seat. Yeah. Now, if you talk about general merit, which are those candidates who can be considered for this round 2 phase 2? Okay, what is the eligibility criteria? First thing, all GM candidates who selected accept an upgrade and reject an upgrade in round 1. So children, I hope that you know there are the 4 things. Accept and freeze, where you are okay with your choice and you want to go ahead with the college that was allotted. Second thing is accept and upgrade. You are okay with the choice but you still want to go ahead and see if you're getting something better. In that case, the previous seat will be, you will get that previous seat as well if you're not getting in the other round. Fine. Now, third thing is reject and upgrade, where you're not happy with this, you don't want this seat and you're just going for upgradation. Okay. Now, when you come back again, if you have not got in the other round, then you are losing this particular seat as well because you rejected it. Last one is reject and exit, because you don't want the seat at all. Okay, so you're just rejecting and exiting. So over here, those candidates who have put down accept an upgrade and reject an upgrade in round 1 are eligible. Fine. Now, all KKR, that is HK region category candidates who have not accepted any HK region seat in round 1 or round 2 phase 1. So if you have not accepted any seats as of now, so still you have time, you are also eligible, you will also get a seat probably. Okay. Now, no allotment cases. For example, in round 1 and round 2 phase 1, you didn't get any seat. Okay, so you are also eligible, you can also try further. Fine. Supplementary candidates of the current year. So those who have passed supplementary in the year 2024 are also eligible for the same. Now, the rank list will be invariably followed for allotment of seats. So it will be totally based on ranks, nothing else, no corruption happening over here. Okay, and according to it, only the seats will be allotted to you. Fine. I hope you understood your eligibility. If you are eligible, then only go ahead. Okay. Now, next thing, choice filling rules for round 2 phase 2. So over here, there are certain rules which might seem to be repeated from the other PDF which was there, but it's important again. Only saved preferences will be considered. Please keep in your mind that you have to save all these things, otherwise the future is doomed. We don't want that to happen, right? So please save your preferences, very important. General merit candidates who have completed choice filling during round 1 of counselling will be considered, you know that. Candidates of round 2 phase 1 who chose reject and upgrade will be considered because they have rejected and they are looking for an upgrade. Candidates who were not allotted any seats during the previous rounds, obviously they have to be considered. Now, seat allotted in earlier round will show in green. So in the previous round, if you got some seat, that will be shaded in green, so you can understand that. Fine. Now, all candidates who chose accept an upgrade or reject an upgrade in round 1 will definitely have an option to add, remove, rearrange all your options that are given. So please use this particular opportunity for making your future a lot better, right? Now, supplementary candidates will get the option to do choice filling in round 2 phase 2 as well. It's for supplementary. Now, let's go ahead. Things that you should be rechecking. So it's time for rechecking. Let's see. First thing, please check your eligibility. If you have already not coming, if you have left the seat, that is reject and exit, you have given and still now you are coming and looking for it, obviously you are not eligible. So please check your eligibility there. Second thing, recheck the college code and course details. So as I said in the KCET video also, there might be multiple colleges with kind of similar names. So you know your favorite college, right? So go to the website, you can see the COMEDK course code also. It's college code which is right over there. So you can put that college code over here. Okay, so please check that. Now check the number of preferences as well as the order of it. Have number of preferences, plenty number of preferences, and please arrange it in proper order. Fine. Last but not the least, you need to save the choices. If you're not saving the choices, it's very bad. I told you, right? Our future will be doomed. So we don't want that. Now children, you can see this over here, right? Below it, there is something in red, hyperlink in red. What is this? Click here for engineering vacant seats at the beginning of round 2 phase 2. So you can still see what all engineering seats are vacant. You can do your choice filling accordingly. So please click on this link, go ahead and check the colleges and the vacant seats. Okay, so that's all. That's a wrap up time. I'm not wasting much of your time. I just wish you all the very best for everything that you're doing. Okay, and always remember one thing: if you are not getting any seats, just remember a thing. One hindrance in your path is obviously leading you to a different path. So do not be worried about this way getting closed. You're getting into some different way with something different that is going to be offered to you. Think like that. Be very optimistic. Everything is going to be falling in its own place, right? And if you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye children. Take care.